Mansi J. There's a guy called Mansi who comes all the way from Acholi.
Acholi, yeah.
Now, today I was actually going through my selection of music from upcountry northern Uganda.
Alright.
Then I came through a song called Okullu.
Okullu?
Okullu. It's called Okullu.
Alright.
Then I said, let me play this song and hear it a bit.
To yourself?
To myself.
Alright.
What struck me first is the beginning of the song. It has Adungu.
Yes.
But the way he mixed Adungu with the traditional Acholi drum into modernity, that caught my ear and my sense of concentration in music. I have never heard a beautiful song from northern Uganda, well produced.
Yes, actually, that's where I was going, that we need to credit the producer.
Yes, many guys believe that Otai does not play music from Teso land. Let me tell you the truth.
Yeah.
Some of the music that comes from where I come from, production is not that good.
Okay.
I'm telling you the truth. Ichumu, let's play this song.
Peter, we should be patriotic.
Listen to this song.
Yeah.
Let me even cut your microphone. Let me increase sound here. This song is called Okullu. I'm repeating it for the second time. Listen to this. Listen to the beat.
Waiting for you. Sometimes they got nothing to do. They think you got good news for them. If somebody got a study, why don't you Okullu is no more. Okullu never knew that every man and woman is a woman. Okullu no me, no me. I win my phone, over in my one.
Watcha. That guy is called Mansi J.
Mansi J.
Mansi J. Wow, I have danced. I've never felt this good.
Woo.
Now, for those who are listening to Magic FM, we don't know the meaning of this song again. But for those who understand the message, before we go back to international sport, you can call us up. Call us up and tell us how you love the music.
Share with us your experience.
Wow, what a song.
Yeah.
I got that song and I listened to that song 5 times. 5 times I was like, wow.
The instruments.
And everything.
And the choice of words.
Wow.
And talk about Gulu.
Wow. Okay, let's hear from this one. Magic FM here. Yes. Yeah.
Hey.
What's up?
One catch for the carrot, in the Uya Bila Puchol Bonye. fight for la kere gido. Chindi we a bila pujol.